In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable tracking prevention in Microsoft Edge. To start, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can launch it from your taskbar, your desktop, or your applications list, whatever you normally use. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window for the menu icon. It looks like 3 dots. Click that to open the main menu, then choose Settings from the list. This takes you to the place where Edge keeps all of its controls. On the Settings page, focus on the left-hand sidebar. Click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section groups together the tools that help you control how websites track your activity and how your data is used while you browse. In the Privacy area, find the section labeled Tracking Prevention. You'll see a switch there. Turn this switch on. As soon as you do, Edge begins limiting how sites and third-party services can follow you around the web. There's nothing to install, and it works immediately in all your tabs. Below the switch, choose the level of protection that fits your needs. Basic is the lightest touch. It blocks known malicious trackers, such as crypto miners and fingerprinters, but otherwise allows tracking so sites can continue showing personalized ads and recommendations. Balanced, which is the recommended default, blocks trackers from sites you haven't visited while allowing features you expect to keep working. With Balanced, some ads may be less personalized, but most websites will behave just like you're used to. Strict is the most protective option. It blocks the majority of trackers across all sites. This gives you stronger privacy, but it can also cause some pages to look different, fail to remember your preferences, or even break certain features. If you notice a site not loading correctly after enabling Strict, consider switching back to Balanced for a smoother experience. That's all there is to it. You've turned on tracking prevention and picked the protection level that matches your comfort with privacy versus convenience. You can revisit this setting anytime to adjust your choice as your needs change. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.